here's the box. Let's get to it. Let's unbox it. I know a few things that are gonna be in here, which I am super excited to share with you all. But then there's also some fun new things that I have no clue what it is. So you get to find out the excitement with me. All right. This is for me. You guys probably don't really care, but any other fellow hairstylists out there that are following and paying attention, these guys are absolutely awesome. If I can get them open. Here we go. So these are strips. Most of you stylists know exactly what these are, but instead of using foils, we can use these and we actually reuse them per client. We just rinse them off, wash them off, and get on with the next one. So eco-friendly for sure, which Milkshake is all about, which, as you all know, as am I. So look how cute this is. Look. I know this will be my beach bag. Follow your dreams. Huge. Love this. All right, so one big thing that Milkshake is really promoting this probably next 2 months is the 9-minute color. This is a permanent color, has a plethora of shades, and it covers gray 100% in 9 minutes. If you're a fellow hairstylist, this is an oxidative color, so it will go darker the longer you leave it sitting on, hence why it's only 9 minutes. So if you guys haven't checked out the Milkshake 9-minute color, do so. It is such a time saver, and the colors are absolutely beautiful, so check it out. Next up, we have some fun little travel size guys. Let me get all of them. There's a lot. We've got Moisture Plus, Color Care, Silver Shine, Integrity. Oh my goodness. Got Smoothing Cream, another travel. Oh, yes. I have been wanting to try the Milkshake Cold Brunette. So if you're one of my brunette clients and you have an appointment coming up, get ready, come prepared. We're gonna do some fun content creating with this stuff. So if you're watching, I think you know who you are. Little activator. Got a curl product. Ooh, how cute. Oh, I didn't think these were coming this time. I knew another item was coming, but you guys, I can't. These are actually, you see this? A shower mousse. So instead of a shower gel, this is a mousse. Watch. Look at that. Oh, smells like vanilla cupcakes. Yum. I think I just ate a little bit of it. We have that one. And then this next one is, that's a lot. Hang on. So as you can see, a little goes a long way with the shower mousse. This is the after shower body mousse. Vanilla cupcake scent again. You always want to shake these cans and dispense it upside down. But I have been so elated to get these products in. It's super light on the skin. It feels very moisturizing. I don't know if you guys can kind of see some shine and moisture sinking into my skin already. This is absolutely, it smells so good. I cannot wait for this stuff to come out in retail. Cannot wait. All right, here's the big one. This, you guys, first of all, can we just say how beautiful this packaging is? Milkshake, as you all know, has come out with a Insta-Light product that gives the hair 100% shine. They now have a whole system that goes along with the Insta-Light. So we have shampoo, we have Insta Lotion, Insta Potion, and then we've got a thermal protector. So this system is going to be in-house in the salon as of right now only. I do still have the Insta Lotion as retail for you guys to take home. So I cannot wait to use someone else for this stuff. I think I might take it home this weekend and do it on my hair. And then we have the summer that you guys have all seen before. This is the Sun and More Trio that we have. So this is an all-over shampoo. You can use it on your hair as well as your body. This is a deep conditioning mask that you can do on your hair. This is really, really, really good for those of you who are in chlorine a lot during the summer. This will help really repair your hair. And then, as you all know, the 12 Effects Incredible Milk, my #1 seller in the salon right now. It comes with the Sun and More Trio. So be on the lookout for this in the retail. It's absolutely amazing. And then, just keeps coming. We have Energizing Blend. So this is going to be a scalp treatment. It has rosemary extract in it, so it will help promote hair growth. For any of you who have thinning hair or just need that extra stimulation on your scalp to help boost your hair growth, this system is going to be a game changer for you. It's a shampoo, conditioner, and a scalp treatment. It is highly recommended that you use all three continuously. Absolutely amazing. And again, rosemary extract, so you know it smells so good. Can't wait to use that also. And last but not least, another nice little goodie. Let's see what we have. If I can hold everything up. I feel like it's like Christmas when I get these boxes in, because I kind of have an idea from our meetings of what we're gonna get, but then there's so many nice surprise little goodies that we also get that they customize for us. How cute! Little phone case to go with my beach bag. I think I need to go to the beach this weekend, and then maybe I'll take my Sun and More. I hope you have enjoyed unboxing my content creator with me. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you soon.